thing that is actually, you know, very important when we look at the stocks, whether in Singapore or in US or in Hong Kong. Okay, so one of the strategy, right, is we want to know what is the market right now. Okay, what is the market status right now? Okay, so there's this thing called stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Okay, so example, you know, like before we buy any stocks, right? Okay, the best is you know that what is happening to the market right now. Okay, so example, right? If the market is falling, then this is stage 4. Stage 4. That means not good. Okay, not good. So if you look at the Singapore market, okay, okay, what are the stocks, right, that is falling, that is not good? Okay, that is not good. Okay, you can look at stage 4. Okay, why? Do you know why? Okay, can you make a guess why this is important? Why this is important? Why is it important for you to know something that is falling and something that is keep on falling and falling and falling and falling? Why is it important for you to know that there's this stock called Nanofilm and it has been falling and falling and falling and falling? Why is it important? Okay, so there is this stocks. Okay, there is you know, like example, you know, there are some of these stocks, right, that has been falling and falling and falling, like this Mapletree Pan Asia. Why is it important for us to know? Okay, why is it important for us to know? Okay, so over here, you can see two types, right? One type, right, is a lot of people, their favorite stocks, and their favorite stocks like Singtel. Okay, so a lot of people, they love Singtel, and they love Singtel. Okay, so if you are buying these stocks, okay, these stocks over the past many years, okay, you notice one thing, you notice, right, it's still the same price or lower, correct? Okay, so by buying this and collect the dividend, is it very good strategy? Is it very good strategy? Buy and hold, not very good, right? Not very good. Because why? Because you use a lot of time. Okay, use a lot of time to wait for this stock. Okay, to wait for this stock. So this is not a very, you know, like good strategy. Okay, because okay, it is going always on the sideway, and you notice that, you know, right now, what are some of the stocks? You can see that Olam is falling, Suntec REITs, okay, is the downtrend. Okay, this you know, Manulife REITs, you know, going to almost zero already. Okay, so we want to avoid, this lousy stock. Okay, that means the stock that is the weakest in the market. We want to avoid. So over here, stage 4. Okay, stage 4. So if the market, right, there is many stocks in stage 4. Okay, we say that the market is having a downtrend, the market is bearish, the market is going down, right? So after stage 4, the stock will turn around. So at here, you go into stage 1. Okay, stage 1. So turn around. So if we're looking at this one, right? Okay, and we see, right, what are some of the stocks? Okay, then we notice that bank stock are not here. Okay, that means good lah. Bank stock not here. You notice that some of the stocks not here, they're going where? They're going stage 1. So you go to stage 1. Oh, stage 1. Wilmar. Okay, Wilmar, you know, was down, but okay, but you know, right now it start to recover. So let me just change this back to daily. Okay, daily. So you can see, oh, Wilmar was down and then starts to recover. Okay, recover. So we are better than, you know, the heavy seller. At least some people is buying. Okay, at least some people is buying. So you can see that, oh, this Hong Kong Land. Okay, Hong Kong Land was down. Now, okay, up a little bit. So we call it turn up. So a lot of people, they like to buy here. A lot of people, they like to buy here. Okay, is it anything wrong? Nothing wrong. Okay, it's just, it's telling us that there's a start of the trend. Okay? It could be a start of the trend. But the best stocks is always in stage 2. Okay, the best stock is always in stage 2. So you notice that, oh, this is a stage 2, right? And you can see, oh, Singapore Banks is here. SGX is in the stage 2. Oh, SGX is in the stage 2. ST Engineering in stage 2. Oh, maybe this is the better one. Okay, so if you ask me, what is the best blue chip company? Okay, I think this ST Engineering, right, for now, for now. It could be the best, one of the best, okay, one of the best blue chip stocks. Okay, very steady, very stable, and also growing, going on the upward movement. Okay, upward movement. Okay, so of course, there are many others, but what we are looking at, we want to find out the best. Okay, so is Yang Zijiang, okay, Yang Zijiang, what do you think? What do you think? Is it possible that this could also be one of the best? Possible? How does it look like? Okay, compared to other stocks, okay. So a lot of times people will say, oh, maybe this one not good, that one not good. But what is the best, the most important thing? The most important thing, right, to me, right, is the performance. The most important thing, right, is the power. Okay? If there's a power, if there's a smart money is this one, smart money, usually, right, is better. It's better. Okay, so some other stocks like SGX, the power. Got power or not? No power. Got smart money or not? No smart money. Okay? ST Engineering, got power or not? Not very powerful uptrend lah. Okay, smart money have or not? Yes, smart money have, but no power. Okay, no power. So from here, right? Okay, I can see that actually, the strongest one could be Yang Zijiang. So if you're looking for something that is powerful uptrend, right? Powerful uptrend, then Yang Zijiang, right, is the one. Okay, is the one. So of course, Capital DC is here. Okay, so you notice something or power bolat, okay. But okay lah, it's on stage 2 lah, better than those not in stage 2, right? And then there's some smart money index, okay lah, not bad lah, okay, not bad. Okay, so generally, right, what we can do is we can do a ranking. So if we rank it up, you can see number 1 is Yang Zijiang, number 2 is this Citrium thing. Okay, Citrium is very small cap, very small in the sense, okay, in the price, okay, in the price. And then actually there's nothing much here. There's nothing much here in terms of this the stocks. Okay, so of course, if we are looking at something like whether these stocks, right, okay, I think iFast is also quite good. Okay, iFast. Okay, today we just look at iFast and we notice that iFast is doing quite well. Okay, doing quite well. Okay, so over here, you can see that, let me just see my filter. SGX 50 cents. Okay, you can see that, right? Okay, the market, right, okay, is quite okay. Okay, not say very, very, very strong, but okay, but overall, right, okay, stocks like Yang Zijiang is setting up. That means the blue arrow is just nearby, and there is a potential for move. Right, there's a potential for move. And also iFast, right? iFast also, right? Also standby to move. Okay, I think iFast, because of the volume, okay, the volume or the minimum value, iFast, the minimum value sometimes is a bit low, and then the volume also sometimes a bit low. Okay, so let me see SGX. Okay, let me put up the volume. Okay, so safe. Okay, safe. Okay, so iFast is here. Okay, iFast is here. So iFast is a bit low, volume too low. So just now the what, right, actually kills it. Okay, it filter out iFast. So you can see, right, by me, right, ranking this, right, actually, the whole Singapore, okay, the whole Singapore. If you ask me, I look at two stocks. One is Yang Zijiang, the other one is iFast. The rest maybe not my kind of stocks. Okay, maybe not so fantastic. Okay, so if you want to rank by 6 months, Allsets, okay, Allsets is one of the recent stocks that went from 2 cents to 4 cents, but again, it's not my kind of stocks. Okay, CSE Global, not much of a volume. Okay, Digital Core REITs, I'm not sure about this, but but it's not bad lah. It's not bad. But if you ask me again and again and again, still the same two stocks lah. Okay, Yang Zijiang and iFast. All right. So what about the, like Sembcorp industry, right? So you look at stage 3. Stage 3. What do you see? You see Sembcorp industry. Okay, Sembcorp industry. Is it turning around already? Not yet. Okay, not yet. Not yet turned around. Okay, what about Keppel Corp? Okay, is it turning around? Not really. Okay, not really turning around. Okay, not really turning around. But there's a chance that Keppel Corp will come back. Okay, if the market is really strong. Okay, and what about SIA? Is it turning around? No, it's all in the stage 3, and looks like they are heading for correction. Okay, they're heading for correction. So you can see that for Singapore market, right? Okay, for Singapore market, it's not that strong. And how we see, we can look at the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. Okay, stage 3 and 4. So by looking at the market, okay, market stage, right, we can what? We can identify where is, why you're not making money, or are we overly invested right now? Are we under invest right now? Okay, you understand what I mean? Okay, does it matter or not? Does it matter if you invest more money when everything is crashing? If you invest more and more money, when everything is crashing, what happens? What happens? You lose big money, right? You lose big money. But if you invest more money, okay, when everything is going up, you are more likely to what? Make money in the near term. Agree or not? So if you want to make money in the near term, right, this market stage is very important. Agree or not? Right? Market stage is very important. Because why? If you are looking at long-term investment, then no need to see. Okay, no need to see. But if you're looking at, mid-term or short-term, then you want to what? You want to get in when the stocks are in stage 1 or stage 2. You want to stick to the stage 1, stick to the stage 2. Okay, so our goal, right, is what? Our goal, right? So for us, right, to make money, our goal, right, is to find the best stock in the market. Okay, find the best stock in the market. So the reason, right, why most people don't make money. This is the reason why. Okay, 90% of the stock, right, are lousy stocks. So if you anyhow buy any stock, right, what are the chances of you getting a lousy stocks? It's 90%. So what do I mean by lousy? Okay, what do I mean? Lousy means the stock keep on falling. This one called lousy. The stock never move. This one called lousy. So 90% of the stocks, right, is going down or going sideways. Agree or not? Okay, so if you ask me, right, what about UMS? What about UMS? How about UMS? Okay, so UMS is in stage 2. You can see from here, PT stage 2, strong up. Right, strong up. Okay. So you can see power, okay lah, not bad. Okay, but SMI, smart money a lot. Okay, smart money a lot. So smart money is in, right? Okay. So from here, what we are looking at is we want to find the best stock. Okay, we want to find the best stocks in the market. And how does the best stocks different? What is the difference between the best and the 90%? Okay, what is the difference between the best and 90%? Which means the stock is going up like this on the uptrend. Okay, going up on the uptrend. So I want to find stocks, right, that is going up on the uptrend. Usually is in which stage? Usually is in stage 2. Okay, usually is in stage 2. So if you see the stocks, right, if you notice it is in stage 2, usually it's not that bad. Okay, why? Because by constantly putting ourselves over here in stage 2, what actually happened? Okay, so example now, if the market got 100 share, 1,000 share. Okay, so let's say if there's 900 share is here and 100, where do you want to stand? Where do you want to stand? You want to buy the 900? No, right? We want to stand at the 100 here. We want to choose from the 100. Okay, so if the market, right, is turning up, okay, it's turning up. Okay, here is let's say 600. Here is a 400. Where we want to buy? we want to buy the one in stage 2. Okay, you want to buy the one in stage 2, the 400 one, right? So if the market, right, now is in, super bullish market, where you want to choose from? You want to buy something that's cheap right now? Do you want to buy something that's cheap right now? No, okay, we don't want to buy the stage 4 one. We want to buy from the 900, right? From the 900. So we're going to buy the one that in the stage 2, the one that is on the uptrend stocks. Okay, understand what I mean? So over here, we can use this, okay, to identify like what is happening in the US market. Okay, so imagine, okay, what do you think US market right now? What do you think? Okay, what do you think? The mega caps, okay, the mega caps, those what Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, okay, the index, ETF, QQQ, S&P 500. What do you think? Which one? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Which one? Which one? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Okay, so make a guess. Okay, make a guess. Okay, which one, it is the US market right now, right? So when we do that, right? Okay, we can change this to all US market, and then, we can see, right? And the mega caps, okay, the mega caps, okay, the one that is red, the one that is red is Meta. Okay, Meta still in red, okay, still in red, but maybe a little bit more, just need to up a little bit more, maybe it will turn back to blue. Okay, maybe it will turn back to blue. So, okay, so let's take a look at stage 2. Okay, 2. So when we look at stage 2, right, when I do some ranking, I see S&P 500, I see Tesla, I see Nvidia, I see QQQ, Nasdaq, I see Apple, Amazon, okay, Roku, Google, okay, Google, Broadcom, Netflix, okay, ExxonMobil, Intel, Adobe, okay. And actually, if you look at all these, right, you notice what? Actually, quite a lot of them, they are actually doing well. Okay, and they are actually doing well. They are doing not bad. Okay, not bad. You understand what I mean? So although, right, we might think that the market is not doing well, the market is weak, but what is happening here is, seems like, okay, the correction here has come to a pause. Okay, a pause. So the pause here, okay, is telling us that maybe got chance that it can go higher. Maybe got chance it go higher. So by looking at this, right, this is actually true data, right? What I'm doing here is I just want to make sure that, the stock that we're looking at is blue in color. So why blue in color is important? Because when the stock is going up and up and up and up, the best period, right, is usually blue color. Blue color doesn't mean that it go up every day. Okay? It doesn't mean that it go up immediately. Okay, it can be still, like still okay, still weak during the intermittence, but generally you can see that, it is still going higher. So what we're looking at here is we see that, actually, some of these stocks, right, they are moving up. Okay, they are moving up after the red color. So after the red color, they turn blue, and then they're moving up. After the red color, they turn blue, and then hopefully from here, right, they are going up. Okay, they're going up. So you can see that, this is what we call a continuation. Okay, continuation. Okay, so when you see red color and then it turns blue, and then it goes up, turn red color, goes blue, and then it go up. So we want to see this. Okay, we want to see stocks, right? They continue to turn into this what we call the first blue arrow, or you can say that, they go back to stage 2. The correction is over. Okay, the correction is over. So on the numbers here, right, that we see on the data, okay, on the data from all these stocks, right, Tesla, Nvidia, okay, what we see is the correction is over. Okay, the correction is over. So we should be what? Stand by to be bullish. Okay, stand by to have more money go into the market. Okay, because why? Because you understand what's the problem. The problem is sometimes we don't know when to take out the money. We don't know when to take out the money, okay, or when to get back in the market. Okay, so by having this strategy, right, we see that not just one or two stocks, but actually many stocks, okay, many stocks, even stocks like Visa, or this is doing well, okay, Oracle, this is from red color turn blue color, okay, so not just the one or two company, but quite many company, right? Like this Melly is actually moving up, Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's stocks is actually creeping up slowly, right? So by having this kind of data, we can identify that, oh, market is coming back to stage 2. Okay, so the question here is this the best stock or not? Is this the best stock or not? Maybe not. Okay, the best stocks, right, usually they are high in power. Okay, they're high in power. So the best stock is like something like this, Miniso. Okay, best stocks, right, are the one that, that move up, really a lot. Okay, really a lot. They move up really a lot. So some people, they're thinking, do I need to have a big capital? Okay, a big capital, right, to make big money. Okay, so you can see, your capital, right? Okay, some people, their question is this: do I need to have big capital to make big profit? Okay, big profit. Okay, so if you want to have big profit, right? Okay, big profit, right? One of the thing, of course, big capital equals to big profit. This is one way. So if you buy, let's say, DBS, OCBC, okay, all this very safe, company, right, in Singapore, right? Okay, of course, big capital, right, will have an advantage. But if your capital is small, okay, and you still want to have big profit, okay, big profit, that means you are planning for your retirement, early retirement, right? Okay, so what's happening here? What do you need? What do you need to have small capital go into big profit? What do you need? Okay, so what do you need? You need this thing called the trend. You need this thing called a trend, and this is not a small trend. This could be a big trend. Okay, a big trend. So the big trend means what? Means that, wow, these stocks go up from $5 to $10, $10 to 15, 15 to 8, 20, 20 to 37. So this Miniso, right, is one of the big trend. Okay, one of the big trend. This WFRD is a big trend. Okay, it's a big trend. So when you see this stock, wow, go up from here until here, wow, 400 over %. Okay, it's different, very different from what? Very different from your DBS. Very different. Why? Because DBS, one whole year from last year until now, is up just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. So this kind of stocks, okay, Tidewater, TDW, this one from here to here is 200%. So this is the kind of what we call the best stocks. Okay, the best stocks. Okay, the best stocks over here. So what we do here, right, is, we want to improve our stock selection. Okay, stock selection. So if we choose from the whole list, right, wow, all the stocks, any stocks we just choose. We don't know which stock to choose. But from here, right, what we can do is we can, look at the best. Right, look at the best. So like a magnifying glass, like a binoculars. You look at the best. Okay, look at the best. Okay, and when you look at the best, right, like example, we look at the top 20 best. And then we choose. Okay, we choose to get the best of the best. Correct? We try to do it. Okay, we try to choose. We try to choose the best of the best. Okay, why? Because, okay, with this system, right, when you do the ranking, right, when you do this ranking, right, okay, some of these stocks like Nvidia, okay, they are among the best. So among the best, if you look at some stocks, right, like, Okay, like you can see that, you know, the value is much higher. Wow, this one, Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. And then you know, this one, ELF. Okay, ELF. Okay, and then this one, VRT. Okay, you can see the numbers, right, are different. So this 200 over million, this is 100 over million, you know, this is 21 billion, okay, 21 billion, right? So these are the three stocks, okay, three stocks that we want to pay attention. Okay, so the rest, you never pay much attention, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so imagine, right, if we do a ranking, okay, we can find out, oh, these are some of the best ones. Okay, and what if we can do a filter? Let's say a filter with the value, right? The value. So maybe we can find more things like Nvidia and more things like ELF, right? Correct. Not? So ELF is one of the stocks. Okay, it's one of the stocks that is the champion of 2023. Okay, 2023. So this is one of the best stocks out there right now. Okay, and of course, this Weatherford, okay, Weatherford is also, you know, doing well, okay, for now, okay, it's still doing well. Okay, oil and gas. All right, so just now somebody talked about Nvidia. Yes, Nvidia is still the best. Okay, still one of the best stocks out there. Okay, and yeah, and we want to really respect. Okay, really respect NVDA, right? Okay, Nvidia. So it's really one of the best stocks out there. Okay, one of the best stocks. Okay, so over here, you must understand, right? So there's two things. Okay, the two things. One, we look at the market stage. Two, it is this what we call the best stocks. We want to look at the best stocks. So if you look at, you know, like any stocks out there, on, let's say somebody asked about ON Semiconductor. Okay, ON, right? Okay, you look at the power. Is it very strong? Not bad, okay, not bad. Usually, what is considered good, right? Above 50. Above 50 is better. More power. But don't worry, for short term, right, we have this indicator called RKT. RKT means rocket. Okay, rocket. Okay, so if you choose something with a high RKT, like example, yesterday, you know, I have some shares on this WW. Wow, this one 7, okay, 7.8. So the rocket factor is very strong. Okay, so anytime it can just explode, you know. Okay, so some stocks like this Carvana, they have a very, you know, big number, rocket number. Okay, rocket number. So if they move up, right, they will move up, you know, like rocket like that. Of course, when they move down, they also move down like rocket. Okay, so you must understand. Oh, you know, some stocks, generally the general number is the power. Like the power is strong, above 50, you know, is considered quite good. It's considered one of the best. Okay, smart money. Okay, got smart money or not? Got smart money better than no smart money. Okay, and then rocket. Okay, factor. So ON. Okay, ON. If you look at ON, not bad. Okay, not bad. Almost 50 in the power stage 2, right? Stage 2, from red color change to blue color, goes into stage 2. Generally, it's uptrend. Semiconductor, same as Nvidia. Okay, same as Nvidia. So yeah, considering, okay, this is considered quite good, right? Okay, quite good. Okay, so from here, we can choose a few stocks. Okay, just how I share with you is what is this ELF and Nvidia and this VRT. Okay, VRT. So VRT is also one of the best performing stocks right now. Okay, one of the best performing. And okay, and you know, we want to like choose from the best. Okay, choose from the best. We want to stick to the best. Let's say the best. So from here, okay, a lot of people, they will say, okay, this thing, right? They will say two things. Okay, there are two things. One is, you know, cannot make money. Okay, cannot make money. Market not good. Okay, economy not good. Okay, so this is the common thing that everybody talks about, right? Market not good, economy not good, and that's why, you know, we cannot make money. But over here, the key thing is this. Okay, the key thing is this: if you happen to see these stocks, right, you know, you look at some of these stocks, like this, you know, New Oriental, if you look at Fastly, okay, you see that, hey, actually, you know, got stocks go out. Actually, look at this Samsara. Oh, actually, it turns to blue, and then after that, it just continue to move. So this CLS, oh, actually, some of these stocks, right, they are moving up. Okay, they are moving up. So this, you know, so what is the market telling us? The market is telling us, right, actually, the stocks that's going up right now is not the mega caps. It's not the mega caps. It is the average stocks, right, that is going up. Okay, it's the average stocks, those stocks that you never expect them to move. Okay, they are just moving. Okay, they're just moving. Understand? So over here, that is the thing here. That's why we want to know that, oh, actually, there's these stocks that is moving up and up and up and up, and these are some of the important stocks. Okay, important stocks that we want to pay attention, right? So yeah, this WW is here. Okay, so there's many of these stocks, but now it's just the beginning. Okay, just the beginning. Why I say this is the beginning is because you see all the mega caps, they just recover from a correction. If you look at some of these stocks, they are not yet, you know, moving yet. The money haven't really flow into this market yet. We're just in the beginning of a next bullish trend. Okay, we're just the beginning. So okay, so over here, if you look at more stocks turning into stage 2, okay, that will be the sign. Okay, that'll be the sign, and we want to stick to the stage 2. Okay, so over here, right, I just want to share with you another thing. Is a lot of people, they say, right, this is very risky. The stock market, right now, right, because of all this interest rate, it should crash. You know, it is very risky. You shouldn't be in the stock market. You should get out of the stock market. You should buy crypto, you know, all this. Okay, so is it risky? You know, let me ask this question. Okay, is it risky right now? Okay, so how do we identify the risk? How do we manage the risk? You know why? Because everybody is like you know, we are designed to work until 65. Everybody, okay, designed to work until 65. Okay, so if we given two choice, one is safe, okay, and the other one is risk. Okay, most of the time everybody will say, I don't want risky, I don't want risky, I don't want. Okay, if anything you talk about risk, right, everybody, right, will say no. Okay, no, don't tell me. Okay, I don't want to listen because it is risky. Risky. Okay, but if you think about this, people who, you know, like they make a lot of money. For example, people buy condo, people make money from property. Don't you think they also take risks? Correct, no? Okay, correct. There's nothing called risk free one. Okay, there's nothing is risk free. Anything that is risk free, there's also some risk. Okay? Just that the chances is very low. It's very low. Okay, so technically, right, when we choose a stock, right, we always go for the safe stocks. Okay, we will go for safe stocks. So why? The question is why? Why? A lot of people, they will buy, you know, like Thai beverage. Okay, they buy beverage, and then they wait. And they wait all the way. And, okay, they buy what? Kim Lee, because kopitiam sure, you know, you won't, won't do one, won't sure there one, you know, that kind of thing. Like Sheng Siong, okay, Sheng Siong. I mean, over the past 10 years, it's not bad, only not bad. Just that, you know, this year is not that fantastic. Not that fantastic. So the SingPost, what about SingPost? A lot of people buy SingPost because what? Because they think that this is safe. Safe means good. Risky means not good. Okay. So the thing here is this. First thing is this. First thing, we want to understand, okay, why we never take a risky path is because there is no risk management. No risk management. So if there's no risk management, then of course, you will not take the risky choice. Okay, you will not take the risky choice. Okay, so how do we reduce the risk? How do we reduce the risk? So to reduce the risk, right, what we do here is we look out for this stage, okay, this 4 stage. So imagine today, right, you drive a car, okay, and this car, right, when you drive, wow, you drive very slow. Okay, because you scared, accident, correct? Okay, so when you drive this car, you drive very slow. Okay, you drive very slow. Okay, you drive 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, but although you drive 50 kilometer per hour, very safe, but if you drive the wrong direction, you get in here, you buy stocks here, okay? Even you drive very slow, also become dangerous because you are opposite the direction. Imagine you go opposite direction and you drive 50 kilometers per hour, you think that you are very safe, right? But actually, it's very risky. Very risky. However, if you're on the right direction, okay, if you're right direction, you drive 50 kilometer per hour, you drive 100 kilometer per hour, let's say in Malaysia, okay, and you drive, let's say in Germany, you drive 180 kilometer per hour, no problem. Okay, no problem. First, okay, you see that, oh, we are on the right direction. Okay, you understand? We're in the right direction. So in the US market, I'm talking about right now, okay, if you want to go all in, if you want to buy a lot of shares, does it matter? Okay, does it matter? Is it very risky? Is it risky to go all in? Okay, if S&P is here in stage 2, okay, I'm quite okay. Okay, I'm quite okay. If this like those stocks those like Tesla, if they continue to go up, like if Nvidia continue to go up, okay, if Apple U-turn and go higher, that is the sign that tell us that, hey, this one stage 2, okay, stage 2 is go up one. Okay, so we want to what? Maximize our profit. We want to maximize our profit so that what? So that we can reach our destination earlier. Agree? Okay, we want to reach our destination earlier. So we want to check it out. Okay. However, of course, if there's a bend or what, there's a turn, of course we slow down. Right? But if it's a straight road, you want to go, fully maximize your return. Okay, fully maximize your return. So over here, I share with you a few things over here. And yeah, okay. And before I move on, okay, just